Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Himani. So we are back with our weekly horoscope for the coming week, that is 12th of April till 18th of April based on your moon sign. If you don't know your moon sign, आप कोई भी zodiac से जिससे आप resonate करते हैं ये reading देख सकते हैं and you can plan your week accordingly. I will put down timestamp of all the zodiac signs so it is easy for you to reach out to your zodiac sign and check the guidances. So let's see कि universe ने आपके लिए क्या message भेजा है. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Himani Goyal Soul Studio and press the bell icon so that you get the video notifications beforehand of my new videos. Also share this video with your family and friends so that they can also plan their week according to these guidance. Like this video, comment what you like it, how you resonate with the energies of the card. For any personalized assistance, I will put down my social media handles in the description box. You can always reach out to me through these channels or follow me and connect with me. So let's start before wasting any time. फर्स्ट जोडियक इज एरीज, मेष राशि. सो एरीज आपके लिए जो कार्ड आया है वो है 10 ऑफ समर, विच मीन्स दिस इज अ वेरी इमोशनली एंड फुलफिलिंग वीक फॉर यू. यू विल स्पेंड time with your family and friends. Enjoy spending time with them. If you have children, you will raise them wisely. Also, you will find people with whom you can trust, share your feelings. Singles might get married or already in a relationship or married, they can plan for a baby also. So overall it's a joyful and emotional card. You will share your celebrations with your family. So all the best. चलिए लेट अस मूव टू टॉरस. वृषभ राशि के लिए गाइडेंस देखते हैं. ओके, टॉरस आपके लिए कार्ड आया है प्रिंसेस ऑफ समर, विच मीन्स this week you are very gentle, sensitive, kind, and also you, if you are single, you will find a new relationship or you will have an emotional experience. Who are already in a relationship, they will spend time with their partner, have a joyful and emotional experience. Also this week you might receive invitation to social events or you might conduct some social events. Also, this is the week where you will have a compassionate friend with whom you can share your concerns, you can share your problems, and definitely as a friend you will find solutions. So all the best, Taurus. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडियक साइन जेमिनाई. मिथुन राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है? ओके, सो जेमिनाई फॉर यू द कार्ड इज 8 ऑफ विंटर, which means I feel you feel that you are powerless, you have lack of self confidence which is not letting you to move forward. So this card is telling you believe in yourself. You have what it takes to be successful, but you have to believe in yourself. Thinking that you are powerless or you have lack of confidence will not let you move forward. So you have to come out of that powerless attitude or mindset where you are thinking like that. So you have to think that you are powerful and you can achieve anything in life. So you should have that self confidence which will keep you going, Gemini. So all the best. चलिए let us move ahead to Cancer. Let's see the guidance for Cancer. Okay, Cancerians, for you the card is Queen of Winter, which means this is the card where you will be focusing on your career. You will be working hard for success. Also, this is the card where you will be very strong and patient. You will be self sufficient, a little funny. Also, this is the time where you need to let go of people and things which is no longer serve you. Focus on your career and let go of things which is causing you more emotional, which is which does not serve any purpose to you. Also this week you will be more focused to career rather than relationship if you are single, or if your relationship is struggling. This card also indicates divorce. or this card also indicates that you might fell in love with a divorced female. So overall, it's a card of focus and it's a card of your career growth. So all the best Cancer. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडियक लियो, देखते हैं सिंह राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस आया है. ओके, लियो, फॉर यू द कार्ड इज प्रिंस ऑफ ऑटम, विच मीन्स दिस वीक यू आर वेरी protective and humorous. This card tells you to be cautious before taking any decision, wise as well as cautious. So before taking any action, you have to minutely pay attention to each and every details, research it properly and then take decisions. So you have to be cautious as well as wise. Also this week you will be kind to others. So all the best, Leo. Let us move ahead with the next zodiac, Kanya Rashi, Virgo. Let's see the guidance for Virgo. Okay, Virgo, for you the card is Four of Spring, which means this week you will be grateful to the universe. You have got promotion. If you are looking for a job, you will have received a new job which is aligned with your purpose. So you have the necessary things to celebrate. So you will be celebrating with your family and friends. You have a deep feeling of peace and happiness. You have a very contented personal life. So you have to have gratitude towards universe, grateful towards universe. You know, people who are living alone will might go and meet their family. It's an homecoming, or you might celebrate your anniversary or housewarming, or singles might get married. So overall it's a celebration card. Celebrate with your family and friends. All the best, Virgo. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन लिब्रा, तुला राशि के लिए देखते हैं क्या गाइडेंस आया है. ओके, सो लिब्रा, फॉर यू द कार्ड इज थ्री ऑफ स्प्रिंग, विच मीन्स you have to plan your next step this week with an eye to long term goals. So you will be planning for the future. You have necessary plans, just you need to implement it keeping in mind your long term future. Also you have to wait, have patience, continue putting your efforts, dream big. Definitely your goals will be fulfilled. More good things about to come. You just need to be patient. You have put on your efforts, definitely the result will come, but it is taking time as per universe wish. Also you are satisfied from your job, so well done. All the best, Libra. Let us move ahead to Scorpio, Vrishchik Rashi ki guidance. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is King of Winter, which means this week you are very knowledgeable, fair minded, very experienced. You use mind over emotions, so you will be more unemotional, in the sense you will use more logic and more mind rather than emotions. Also, if someone seeking advice from you related to career, finance, personal life, you are ready to give professional advice and objective. It's a good week for public speaking, people who are into motivation and public speaking. So this is what the card says. It is, you know, your partner might feel you are unemotional, you are not focusing on relationship, but this week you have the priority about your career, about your job. So you will be more focused towards your career rather than, you know, letting yourself into emotions. So all the best, Scorpio. चलिए Sagittarius पे चलते हैं, next zodiac sign. Let me pull the card. Okay, Sagittarians, for you the card is Two of Summer, which means this week you will, if you are single, you will fall in love with your soulmate, your partner, or make a serious commitment. If you are already in a relationship, maybe leading to marriage. So overall it's a love and soulmate card, where you will be, if you are already in a relationship, you will make a very serious commitment. Also you should forgive that is the resolution of problem. So if you relationship is struggling, don't give up. Your relationships can be healed. Just forgive, sit together, talk to each other, and solve your problem. So forgiveness is the resolution of all the problems. So all the best, Sagittarians. Let us check the guidance for Capricorn, Makar Rashi. So for Capricorn, we have the card Moon. So this card is telling you, let go of your unfounded fears and worries. Don't let them hold on, which will not let you to move forward. You will not able to find opportunities. Understand the truth of a situation. So whatever happened in the past, instead of worrying and having fear, understand the truth of the situation, learn from it and move forward. You have intuitive power, so just make use of it. Listen to your instinct. Don't be worried on too much about the past. Understand the truth and move forward. So all the best, Capricorn. So let's move on to Aquarius, the next zodiac sign. Okay, so for Aquarius, we have the card 8 of Spring, which means stress that comes from having many things happening at once. So this is, too much of things happening in your life, so which is causing you stress. You're too busy, so many things are coming. You are successful in multitasking, but sudden events or changes is causing you stress. So just relax. I can understand there are a lot of things happening, but just relax and prioritize the situations and then move forward. So all the best, Aquarius. The last zodiac is Pisces. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is 5 of autumn, which means this week you might be facing money challenges. Maybe there are lack of funds, so it is the time to reach out for assistance. Don't feel shy. If you need money, if you are emergency and you need money, reach out to others for assistance. If you are facing challenges in money or feeling challenged, also this is not the right time for a career change. Hold on for next week. Just relax wherever you are. Try to concentrate on your work. When the time comes, definitely you can go ahead for change, but this week it is not the right time for a career change. So all the best, Pisces. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope these weekly guidances will surely help you to plan your week. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you next week. Bye bye.